What's up, guys? It is your boy, Dr. Applelox Games, and welcome to, Happy Wheels. Welcome back, Happy Wheels Part 3. Today we're going to be looking at levels. Just random levels that come out on our browse levels. And, if anyone knows how to solve a Rubik's Cube, please tell me. I have no idea. I'm stupider than I have an IQ of, a fish. So, we're gonna first start out with Pogo Fight. I don't even know why it gives us the option to pick a character. It should just be automatic Pogo Man. That happens. Why are they out of that? Probably like just to trick people and stuff. Did Dad really a pick fork? Oh yeah, warning, this might have some mild profanity in this video. Just to let you know, it's gonna have some bad words if I ever use like a Pogo Man and he gets hurt. It's gonna say some bad words. So you just wanna watch out for this all. This is Pogo Jump. Not too hard. This is the easy one. I think this might be the easy one. Yeah, this is the easy one. Let's do a different one. I want to do like another Pogo Fart one. Pogo Fight. As a line. Billy. Timmy. Yeah, that's what I call him, Timmy. Take that. You're responsible, Billy. Anyway. Apple of the day. Me getting wrecked by a kid wielding a chef's knife. Video of the day. Oh no! I don't know how, but now I'm dead. So there's a landmine back here. Hold on. It's a landmine. What? Let me just jump up. You're gonna hear it. Probably. Probably like that hard. Alright, 420 hard, I guess. Don't ask. That's what the author says. Alright, let's take Billy out for a walk today. Oh. We're not playing this level. It has bad reference, and we're not going to play that level. Pogo Fight Extremo. Let's do this. Oh, it's baby. Wielding a battle axe. Ha ha ha! I beat your system, baby. Baby brutality, that's not okay. I'm an awful person. I deserve that right there. I deserve that. I don't like baby brutality. I killed a baby! This video is probably going to get removed. Or at least banned from the country. Censor this out. Nah, I'm not going to censor it. Well, this thing right here is going to censor it out. It's baby brutality. Damn, Pogo stick flip. person deserves it. This person deserves all the things he's getting. Next level. Die yourself. Segway Steve. Alright, my video turned off and I just did the one part that I'm not going to do again because it was very bad. So I had to edit all that. So, yeah. Oh, this is a pogo fight. Oh, I wasn't reading. I picked Santa Claus for a pogo fight. Oh, jeez. Okay. Santa, baby's coming. Eat. Ha! Hi! I beat your system. Oh, Bongo Cat, how about that? My wife took the kids. Please just let me do this be a normal field trip with this. No way! Ah! You get down on Main Street. We ran over like 12 kids. Next thing that you know, your butt is in solitary confinement on the drugged up school bus. Playing Happy Wheels for the fans in the drugged up school bus. Comment down hashtag drugged up school bus because next video is gonna be all pogo fights. How about if you guys can make levels for Dr. Matlock's games, I'll definitely explore them and I will tell them how good they are. That would be great if you guys made levels for me.
Damn it! Oh my god!
Wild profanity. You should make a Dr. Matlock's games pogo fight. Yeah, that would totally be like relevant for me. I love pogo fights.
Oh my god!
Or you can make like a Lawnmower Man level. I don't know.
Oh
Or something like that. There's not enough. I have a spike for a butt. I just did that? It's amazing. That's like inhuman. Ugh. This game's so bad and gory. Hey! Hey! Gotcha reveal. Want to see a Phantom anime character? It's a little cute cut thing that my friend sent me. Yeah, it has the music to it too. He sent me this. It's a little like Dr. Matlock's Games character. She sent me a picture of this. And then put music in the background. I don't know why it's playing music though. I'll turn that off. Not a gotcha. My friend's a gotcha though. Don't unsubscribe, please. I don't want to lose a fan base here. So it's a Dr. Matlock's Games character. Maybe I should make it my profile picture. Who knows? Relative thought, right? It's not from an app. My friend gave. My phone plays random non-copyright music all the time, and when my phone does that from my YouTube channel, it's like really annoying. Sometimes I edit it out, but this time I'm not gonna edit it out because why not? Torture chamber time. I want to see what this is like. Segway Man, Segway Steve, drop sword. Oh wait, drop Timmy. Goodbye, Timmy. Good. I get this level. I'm gonna rate this level first. I give this level a 10 out of 10 because I really hate Timmy. How about last level of the day would be Jet SG. Where do we do this? Actually, you know what? This won't be the last level of the day. You know, yeah, I'm doing one more. One more that's not going to be relevant. Oh my god, guys. So I'm going to do one more, and you guys will... There's going to be more levels after this. There's going to be Jet Boy. There's going to be a bunch of Jet Boy levels. Let me get out of this alive. Ah! That's just all my fan base right there. No one really likes it. Hey, we got 40 TikTok fans. I can't believe that happened. So we're just going to spam with the Jet Boy levels. I'm definitely not a pacifist. You don't even have to use the jets. Oh, oof, okay. Alright, so you could just like do this. Yeet. Then you could do that, and then like start killing everybody. Oh, that was the wrong button. You kind of need to use the jets. That's Jet Boy Extreme. But there's this one that I really liked. It was like a really, really good. Hold on, what's the rating on this one? It's broken. This level, it has 1 star. It's so bad. My vids to the max. Alright, not done with the video yet. I'm never gonna be finished. I love this. I love this. Oh, jeez. Next one. Last one of the day. Last Jet Boy level. Alright, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully you like, subscribe, and enjoy the gaming. Dr. Matlock's Games character my friend sent me. I really liked it. Make sure you like this video, subscribe down below, and comment your opinions and what levels you made for me. And your Roblox name. I'm going to be adding people on Roblox soon once they request the Roblox name. If Sally Green Gamer's watching this, please also request your Roblox name, because I kind of want to do a video. I need to download Discord on my phone or my computer to get into the call, but that being said, thank you all for watching. Enjoy the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and see y'all on my next video. Bye.